Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best cartoon diamond painting is probably one of the most captivating and therapeutic crafting experiences available today, offering a unique way to create stunning, sparkling artwork with ease and enjoyment. Imagine transforming simple, colorful resin gems into vibrant, detailed images that pop with personality, all while enjoying a relaxing and rewarding hobby that brings a touch of magic to your home decor or serves as a thoughtful, handmade gift. This delightful craft is perfect for unleashing your inner artist, regardless of your skill level, and provides a satisfying sense of accomplishment with every finished piece. Number 5. Halmolife Diamond Art Kit for Kids. Unleash your creativity with this dazzling craft kit. You can create beautiful gem art that shines, perfect for decorating all your favorite things. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to get started. It comes with plenty of colorful gems, tools, and templates for hours of fun. Engage in a fun and educational activity that helps build confidence and improve fine motor skills. It's a fantastic way to learn and play at the same time. Looking for a unique gift? This craft kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring smiles and excitement. Enjoy your creations for years to come with this high-quality kit. We are committed to your happiness and ensuring your crafts stand the test of time. Use the stunning diamond stickers, sun catchers, and keychains you create to personalize backpacks, mugs, windows, and more. Let your imagination shine. What we like? This kit offers a fantastic variety of items to decorate. You can create shiny stickers, sun catchers, and even a keychain. If you are looking for a comprehensive set that allows for diverse crafting projects and decorations, this is a great choice. What people say? The diamonds are very shiny and the colors are vibrant. The adhesive is strong and holds the diamonds in place well. The finished product looks beautiful and is a great addition to my home decor. Number 4. Little Jupiter Cupcake Diamond Art Magnet Set. Introducing the Little Jupiter Cupcake Diamond Art Magnet Set, the 2023 version designed for endless fun. This ultimate gem set lets you build 8 sparkling cupcakes. It comes with everything you need to get started, including wooden cupcake shapes, diamond art stickers, magnets, and all the tools for a dazzling creation. This gem art kit is perfect for kids ages 8 to 12, and even younger ones aged 6+. It helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities while they have a blast. Our diamond art kits feature a simple paint-by-number system with a sticky template. Just pick up the gems and place them to create a beautiful masterpiece you can display anywhere. These kits are perfect for playdates, parties, or just a fun activity on a rainy day. Hours of engaging play await your child with this exciting craft. Looking for a fantastic gift? This diamond art kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion for kids aged 6 to 12. What we like? This set focuses on creating adorable cupcake-themed magnets. It's perfect for kids who love sweet treats and want to personalize their fridge or magnetic surfaces. If you're looking for a fun, themed craft that results in functional decorations, this is the one. What people say? The diamonds are shiny and the colors are vibrant, making the finished product look stunning. The adhesive is strong and holds the diamonds securely in place, ensuring the longevity of the artwork. The kit includes all the necessary tools and materials, making it easy for beginners to get started. Number 3. Sretoul 4-Pack Cartoon Diamond Art Kits for Kids. Introducing the Sretoul 4-Pack Cartoon Diamond Art Kits, a fun and engaging way for kids to express their artistic side. This kit provides everything needed to create beautiful, sparkling masterpieces. Inside each kit, you'll find pre-printed canvases, tools, and plenty of vibrant crystal diamonds. We've even included extra diamonds to ensure your little artist never runs out of sparkle. Crafted with high-quality materials, these kits feature glossy, fade-resistant diamonds and clear, thick canvases. This ensures a comfortable and enjoyable creative experience for children. Specially designed for children aged 4 to 12, the charming cartoon patterns spark imagination and artistic interest. Each design is filled with childish fun and fantasy, making art creation exciting. These diamond art creations are perfect for decorating desks or hanging on walls. They add a lovely atmosphere to any room and give children a wonderful sense of accomplishment. Packaged in an exquisite gift box, this kit makes an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and more. It's a thoughtful way to create lasting memories through handmade art. What we like. This pack provides 4 different cartoon designs, offering great value and variety. The materials are high quality, ensuring the diamonds are glossy and the canvas is clear. If you want multiple cartoon options for a child who loves drawing and creating, this set is ideal. What people say. The diamond painting kit is very cute and the cartoon design is appealing. The diamonds are high quality and easy to apply, making the finished product look great. The kit includes all the necessary tools and materials for a complete crafting experience. Number 2. Diamond DOTZ Spongebob, Surprise Diamond Painting Kit. Immerse yourself in the vibrant world of your favorite characters with this Diamond DOTZ kit. It features a captivating design that brings them to life right before your eyes. This kit is designed for ultimate convenience. It includes everything you need to display your creation without the hassle of framing, making it easy to show off your artwork. Experience the magic of crafting with diamond-like facets. Our unique dotting process ensures stunning results that shimmer and shine, creating a truly mesmerizing piece. Endless creativity awaits with a wide range of designs to suit every taste. Find inspiration to create exquisite masterpieces that reflect your unique style and artistic vision. Discover how effortless it is to create dazzling artwork. Regardless of your skill level, you'll be amazed by the spectacular results, leaving you eager for more creative projects. What we like. This kit features beloved SpongeBob characters and is designed for quick, easy display. It comes with a built-in stand and hanging tab, so no framing is required. If you're a fan of SpongeBob and want a straightforward diamond painting project that's easy to show off, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The diamond painting kit is a great way to relax and de-stress. The diamonds are high quality and have a beautiful sparkle. The finished product is stunning and looks like a professional piece of art. Number 1. SINCERODUCT Sparkling 5D Diamond Sticker Kit. Discover a world of adorable animals and dinosaurs waiting to be brought to life. With 64 unique sticker models and sparkling diamonds, you can easily create vibrant masterpieces. This kit provides all the tools necessary for your diamond painting adventure. We've included diamond brushes, trays, clay, and convenient storage bags to make crafting a breeze. Craft with confidence using our high-quality, eco-friendly resin diamonds. They are non-toxic, odorless, and boast brilliant colors, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? These sparkling creations make wonderful presents for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. They're also a fantastic way to keep little ones engaged and away from screens. Immerse yourself in the joy of diamond art with our brightly colored stickers. Let your imagination shine as you create dazzling, personalized masterpieces that are sure to impress. This engaging activity not only provides hours of creative fun but also helps improve hand-eye coordination and color perception. It's a perfect blend of entertainment and learning. What we like. With 64 cute animal and dinosaur stickers, this kit offers a vast array of designs. The diamonds are eco-friendly and the stickers are reusable, making it a sustainable choice. If you're looking for a large quantity of engaging designs for younger children that encourage creativity and improve hand-eye coordination, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great diamond painting kit for beginners. The diamonds are small and easy to handle, and the adhesive is strong. The finished product looks beautiful and is a great addition to my home decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.